What up YouTube, we got ourselves a new package. This came in the mail today. Opened it up and I've got myself this thing here. This thing here is the Insta360 go-to action camera. Now you might, if you watch any tech channel out there, there's a lot of channels covering this camera right now. There's Unbox Therapy, there's Linus Tech Tips, but one channel, one video in fact, saw me on this camera, and that was Mrwhosetheboss. Why this thing appealed to me so much, there's so many moments during our life that you say to yourself, I only wish I had a camera at that time. Sometimes I might not have my phone on me, and maybe taking out a phone, getting that moment, you might miss that chance. I've got a newborn, I've got a toddler. There's those key moments, their first words or whatever they done. I don't want to, like, I call my missus and say, hey, look what you just said, look what you just said. They don't do it again. It's just that crazy moment that sometimes you find, and they say something new, the new word, or they say something, or the first word, or whatever it might be, and I've got myself something here that I won't lose that memory. And these memories are precious, and this thing, it sold me on that idea where you've always got, that thing with you. I'm a camera guy, love my cameras. I mean, I use cameras all the time for business, whatever it might be, wireless, Wi-Fi, walled cameras. CCTV crazy these days, just making sure I've got all angles covered sometimes. Inside the box comes with the go-to camera, the charging case, the cable, magnetic pendant, easy clip, pivot stand, and the quick start guide. Check out the video from Mrwhosetheboss. Full rundown tells you, literally that video sold me on this camera. Even though it's a paid for promotion, I kind of feel that in terms of tech YouTubers, I trust RM the most. Just totally transparent with a lot of stuff that he reviews, and I don't feel that there's some sort of there's an alternative motive. And I found that it's a good video, and I should definitely part with my money and buy myself this camera. I'd like to thank Mrwhosetheboss for recommending this camera, and I pray that it's as good as that video made it out to be. Hopefully I enjoy the experience of using this camera for the next months or even years to come. Anyway, this has been Ace. Hope you enjoyed this video, and like, subscribe. Peace out.